Welcome to our short headline Pragraj. Legal dictation at the speed of 100 to 110 words per minute for SSL, Delhi and Gujarat High Court. Okay, so be ready. Start. The petitioner immediately responded and submitted her reply dated 30/1/2011, which was received in the office of the district magistrate on 4/1/2011 full stop. However, before receipt of reply, the state government has removed the petitioner on 30/12/2010 full stop paragraph. The order of removal dated 30/12/2010 was impugned in writ petition number 589 within bracket N/B of 2011 full stop. By the interim order dated 7/2/2011, the division bench of this court directed the petitioner to continue as additional district government counsel within bracket criminal Badaयूं till her renewal is considered full stop. In consequence thereof, the petitioner again resumed duty full stop. Thereafter, District Magistrate Badaयूं submitted a report dated 25/2/2011 with adverse comment against the petitioner, and by the order dated 28/3/2011, the state government rejected the renewal, and in consequence thereof, the district magistrate has declined to renew petitioner's tenure by the order dated 30/3/2011 full stop paragraph. The present writ petitions have been preferred by the petitioner challenging the constitutional validity of Amending Act of UP and the circular dated 13/8/2010 amending the LR manual full stop paragraph. It has been stated by the state that the additional district and sessions judge court number 9 submitted adverse report against the petitioner, and in consequence thereof, a decision was taken not to renew the service of the petitioner full stop. On the other hand, the petitioner filed 2 certificates issued by additional district and sessions judge whereby her work has been appreciated full stop. The fact remains that no opinion was obtained from the district judge Badaयूं, who was the competent authority under the LR manual full stop. How the state has relied upon the opinion of the additional district judge has not been substantiated by the learned counsel for the state full stop. Any opinion tendered without authority cannot be a ground to form an adverse opinion against an employee or DGC full stop paragraph. The public prosecutor may appear and plead without any written authority before any court in which any case of which he has charge is under inquiry, trial, or appeal, and if any private person instructs a pleader to prosecute in any court any person in any such case, the public prosecutor shall conduct the prosecution, and the pleader so instructed shall act therein under his directions full stop paragraph. An officer of police shall not be permitted to conduct the prosecution if he has taken any part in the investigation into the offence with respect to which the accused is being prosecuted full stop paragraph. A plain reading of aforesaid provisions reveals that the power of appointment of public prosecutors vests in the central and state government full stop. Subject to administrative control of the district magistrates, the sub-divisional magistrates were also authorized to appoint any person as public prosecutors subject to direction of the state government full stop paragraph. After independence, the Law Commission of India and different commissions and committees of state government, bar and members of judiciary were feeling that the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 outlived its utility and does not confirm the constitutional mandate. Hence, by Act number 2 of 1974, Indian Parliament promulgated the within bracket new Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, which came into force with effect from 1/4/1974, full stop. It received presidential assent on 25/7/1974. Prior to new CRPC, there was no uniform code of criminal procedure for whole of India, full stop. ओके, ये आपका टोटल 529 वर्ड्स है और इसकी स्पीड लगभग 110 के आसपास की थी। तो टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा है, कंटेंट इसका अच्छा था, मटेरियल अंदर जो पड़ा हुआ है, और प्रयास करें 5 से 6 बार लिखने का। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।